So Moggy's valeting the GTR this morning. They're the new shoes for it. Just taking care of paintwork and that today, but it does look a lot better. Hopefully get it sounding a bit better. Trying to think about what else. Yeah, that's it, the wing. I think it was not last video, the one before, showing you replacing this wing. It was all corroded, rusting away, and I did a video yesterday on this as well, sticking it through a little mini valet, talking about mini valet as well. Like I said, I was trying to record it, doing it at the same time, and it won't go into plan, but she didn't come out too bad. Like I say, this is a 1 series. I want to say my car, but the missus owns it more than what I do. That's why it looks like that inside. But, well, the monster is me. Can't keep off them things. But no, she don't look too bad. I'll have to go and check the video out. I would say I'd tag it, but like I say, I'm still learning all this stuff. So I'm trying to put these links and stuff like that in and collaborating all of the Instagrams and Facebooks to come out with the same thing. It's a bit difficult. Right, so this is a T5 that Moggy's been on with. Another camper conversion. I believe all new seats and stuff like that. Look wicked now. He's probably gone to town on it. I'll try and give you the most details on it, but I can't tell you them best for that. So, like you say, new seats, looking nice. I'm not sure whether that's standard radio, I believe. It keeps it nice and clean, looking smart. Like I say, upgraded all the storage, shelving, sinks. I believe that's fridge. All running, all working. Switcher panel over there, spotlight, stuff like that. Socket outlet. I'm not sure what else is on there. Spotlight, lights, fridge, fresh water pump, and then voltage display. So, yeah. About fucking far out of the back. All carpeted out. Does look smart. I believe it's on the market at the minute. So, I nearly fell over twice in that video. All fold down bed. Looking smart. Another storage unit. Another power outlet. All bolted in. Flooring continuous to the back. Carpeted out the doors. This stuff's fucking serious. That's heavy, that lad. Yo! You just got out of bed, hasn't he, look? We're boarding today or what, Pad? Not be long. What time are we on now?
1 o'clock.
Let's see what we've got, 2-3 hour and a half, and then we're going snowboarding. Be able to get some footage of that as well. Some people falling over and things.
That's me.
That's me. All dried up now. Sort the interior out. Imagine you'll get the vac and all that on it. Does look a lot better than what it was at the start. New wing, new shoes. She's gleaming now. She's gleaming now, yes, Naya.
Yo!
Fucking hot shit, Gareth.
We ain't good snowboarding.
But I mean, it'll look new, now.
Norris.
I'll be alive.
We'll call this engine Boris.
Boris thing. You can't have him, either.
I don't know.
I don't know, mate.
Don't break it, bud. Don't break
It
it.
sound very good. No, that put my film on.
Yeah. I'm just looking at this camera now though. The iPhone camera's not even that fucking
I'm
bad.
gonna get my camera.
Do you know, for like just constantly vlogging, I reckon the iPhone camera's probably better because the speaker don't play about. And then
Yeah.
I might do that, and then if I'm doing shots of something nice, then I'll use that thinger. We'll do that, Mugger.
Yeah.
So there's, because your iPhone camera's 4K anyway.
I'm gonna get a new phone.
I need a new one.
That's got a normal 14 Pro. What you got?
I need a new wife and a new life.
Tell me about it.
That's straight out of Audi toolkit, that is.
Jeez.
That's mid-Lyle Audi. Should say Black and Decker on the front.
Just put them screws in that throttle body quick. This is the moment of truth.
So if there's a what
I
is
can't
it?
find it.
If there's an old air filter, they haven't done the job.
Yeah.
You should start doing this for services, Paddy. You know, like that geezer does for new builds where he snags it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
You should snag
Absolutely shocking.
What is it? Ridiculous. Come on then. Yes.
Yeah, it's got a new one in it still.
That's all they've changed.
In it. It's got a new oil in it as well.
Right,
to be
take
fair.
engine out. We'll see if they've done it. Take wheels off.
We've got a new filter in it.
So, golf's washed up, valeted up, interior's being done. I think I said this before, but I'll say it again. Looking better. Paddy's sorting his missus' car out. She's had a service, make sure that they have done the fucker, so we know what they're like. Mortgage dad's just washing off the A6. We're drying that up shortly. Yeah. Nice.
That's it, all on. Something off the list.
Give the Skyber Beer a body close for YouTube. Right, so we're currently halfway between junction 25 and 26. We've stopped off at the motorway because we're hungry. Gonna grab a Greg's, see what they've got. Normally it's cold stuff, so.
I want a sausage roll.
And we're not here at the best time. But yeah, we're on our way to Snowdome, doing some snowboarding, some skiing, so yeah. Sausage rolls. Like you got the sausage there, yeah. Can I have a steak bake, a sausage roll? What are you having?
Sausage roll.
Can I have 2 sausage rolls, please? Will that be it? Yeah, so we'll probably get something there, won't we? Happy. Give me the Greg. So that's Greg's mission done. Back in the car. Shoot off from here now. Get to Snowdome as fast as we can because we're running a bit late. Hopefully we don't get no lad on or something like that. But yeah, we'll catch up with you there. Right, look at those. Where's Glenn?
Over there.
Show me this face. Are we all fresh out? Why are you all gone quiet now? What's up? We're meant to be boarding and skiing. Come on. Right, so we've made it down to Snowdome in Tamworth. Currently just getting the gear and that together at the minute. Me and Nat are running a bit late, so yeah, rushing about trying to sort that out. But ready. So what do you think so far?
Sick. I got it right.
Smash the first go down.
That's the second go.
Second go. Can never spot you in that black jacket whenever you're going up the lifts and stuff like that. I can't point you out. But yeah, it's been good so far. I think I fell over once because Joe pushed me and that was about it. But how are you finding it, Pad?
Shocking.
I just said I've been on my arse once, but only because of Joe. But I've had to wear the missus gloves as well because I forgot my hands are freezing. Hey. Video me going down.
Going down the left side of it.
I'm doing it. I'm not on it, that's why. Send it, Luke.
I'm going.
Oh, coming for you, Blagger.
Right, so back in the car. Finished the day at Snowdome. I've had a few falls. I've got wet bum, heated seats on. Try and dry that up. What do you reckon?
Split my leggings.
Yeah, Nat split her leggings. She went down loads of times without falling off. Then she got a bit confident, tried the jumps, didn't you? And I had to lend her my coat to cover her arse, so I ended up without a coat for the entire thing. But yeah, no, it was a good day out. That's it now. Get wrapped up and get herself back off home.